Unveiling Web Application Firewalls, a practical guide to WAF WRF. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unveiling web application firewalls by providing a practical guide to WAF WRF. Is your web application truly secure? Discover the power of WAF WRF to identify web application firewalls, WAFs, and fortify your defenses against cyber threats. This guide provides security professionals, web developers, system administrators, and ethical hackers with the knowledge to effectively use WAF WRF for security audits, vulnerability assessments, and penetration testing. Web application firewalls, WFs, act as a critical shield, protecting web applications from malicious attacks. They analyze HTTP traffic, filtering out harmful requests and preventing exploits. Understanding the WF in place is the first step in a comprehensive security strategy. WAF WRF is an open-source command line tool designed to identify and fingerprint web application firewalls, WFs. It's a valuable asset for security professionals, providing insights into the security measures protecting a website. This knowledge is crucial for targeted security assessments and penetration testing. WAF WRF employs a multifaceted approach to WAF detection. It begins by analyzing HTTP responses, meticulously comparing them against a comprehensive database of known WAF signatures and patterns. This database includes error messages, specific headers, and characteristic blocking patterns associated with various WAFs. If the initial analysis proves inconclusive, WAF WRF escalates its probing by sending specially crafted, potentially malicious HTTP requests. These requests are designed to elicit specific responses that can further pinpoint the WAF in use. Finally, if all else fails, WAF WRF utilizes an algorithm-based guessing mechanism, leveraging the accumulated analysis to make an educated determination. Before you can start fingerprinting WAFs, you need to install WAF WRF. Ensure you have Python installed on your system. Then clone the GitHub repository using git clone https jockey.github.com enable security waf-WRF.git. Navigate to the WAF WRF directory with cd WAF WRF and install the tool using Python 3 setup.py install or pip3 install WAF WRF. For Kali Linux users, WAF WRF is often pre-installed or can be installed via sudo apt install WAF WRF. Scanning a website is straightforward. Simply use the command WAF WRF target URL. For example, to scan http://www.example.com, you would use WAF WRF http://www.example.com. The tool will then analyze the target and attempt to identify any WAF in place. WAF WRF offers a range of options to fine-tune your scans. Use H or help to display the help message and available options. The V or verbose option enables verbose output, providing more detailed information. The A or Find All option instructs WAF WRF to find all WAFs rather than stopping after the first detection. Use R or Disabler Direct to prevent following redirects. The T-Test option allows you to test for a specific WAF. List all detectable WAFs with L or List. For scanning through a proxy, use pproxy, e.g. HTTP, hostname 8080, SOCKS5, hostname 1080. To read targets from a file, use input. Finally, save the output to a file using OUtput, CSV, JSON, or text. Test a single URL, WAF WRF, HTTP, example.com. Test multiple URLs, WAF WRF, HTTP, example.com, HTTP, host.com, HTTP, site, TLD. Use a proxy, WAF WRF, P, HTTP, hostname, 8880, HTTP, example.com. List all detectable WFs, WAF WRF, L. Find all WFs protecting a site, WAF WRF, HTTP, example.com. A. Read targets from a file, WAF WRF, itargets.txt, where targets.txt contains a list of URLs. WAF WRF will attempt to identify the WAF in use, displaying the WAF name, e.g. Cloudflare, Imperva. If no WAF is detected, it may indicate that the site isn't behind a firewall or that the WAF couldn't be identified. Remember that WAF detection is not always foolproof. WAF WRF primarily identifies WAFs. It doesn't automatically bypass them. false positives and negatives can occur. After identifying a WAF, penetration testers use various techniques to try and bypass the WAF and exploit vulnerabilities. These techniques can include HTTP parameter pollution, null byte replacement, normalization, encoding malicious URL strings, hex, Unicode, and using uninitialized variables in requests. Security training is essential to understand and implement these advanced techniques effectively. Once you know a WAF is present, perform vulnerability scans to identify potential weaknesses in the web application. Research and apply WAF bypass techniques to test the WAF's effectiveness. Document your findings, including the WAF type, potential vulnerabilities, and successful bypass methods. This information is invaluable for improving security posture. While WAF0F is a powerful tool, consider alternatives like Nmap, which has scripts for WAF detection, HTTP WAF fingerprint, HTTP WAF detect. WhatWAF is another tool for identifying WAFs and attempting bypasses. A comprehensive security strategy involves utilizing a variety of tools and techniques. Ready to elevate your web application security? Start using WAF0F today to identify the WAFs protecting your assets. Conduct thorough vulnerability assessments, research bypass techniques, and document your findings to strengthen your defenses. Share this guide with your fellow security professionals, web developers, and system administrators to promote a more secure online environment.